moved to Chartwells from Las Vegas and been with them for 2 years. And actually I get promoted last December to senior exec chef. It is unique, and it's very important to kind of add that to my resume. I did from massive events, mega events, to Olympics, to convention center like this one here. And it was important for me to kind of look into higher ed and see how they do their business, working with these kids and see what's important to them, and it's just a different, unique experience. Immediately when upon my arrival, how they had development plan for me. You have to give, to be given. So I worked hard and just move up the channel, and it was a great opportunity because they did provide all the tools for me to be successful, and that's why I was able to move from catering exec chef to senior exec chef. Chartwells, again, part of Compass Group, multi-billion-dollar company. I'm a kind of perfect example. Start from exec chef catering, move up to senior exec chef, and again, sky is the limit for you. From benefit package to all the opportunities they have, and it's just a great company to work for.